Well, it's back together, and we had a little problem. The steering hits the headers, so I guess I've got to shim up the motor mount like I've been told on some of the forums to get your headers to fit, but the steering doesn't fit. The headers fit, but the steering doesn't fit. And the dash is white, and see if I can get a little white going on there. And really, it's just putting the pieces back together. And there's a whole lot of work here with brazing because they don't make this panel right here anymore. This panel is non-obtainium. So we got that. And the trunk and the hood is all in primer, and supposedly in 2 weeks this whole car will be in primer. It has been a lot of body work, a lot of metal, but the primer's on it, and just laser sharp lines.
I think they're pretty good.
And we'll get going on the paint next. Well, there's finally some white on some pieces here. White, white, white. Yeah. Gonna be a white car. Yeah. That'll be white.